Alright guys, let's continue. And as promised, we will be discussing entities. So I'll create a file and do the HTML skeleton. Okay, so HTML entities. And let's open yung ating Go Live. Sara ko lang yung iba. Okay, so again, HTML entities are special symbols. Kagaya nung na-discuss natin nung nakaraan. For example, the non-breaking space. Okay, so ang format ng HTML entity would be ampersand, yung ating symbol, and then semicolon. Okay? So ngayon, ang iba't ibang HTML entities will be discussed on this video. Right. So the first one would be the copyright. So copy would be like this, copy. Right? So makita natin yun. Then the next entity would be the registration, registered trademark. And then pwede rin ang left and right, greater than and less than symbol. So pagpalitin natin para maganda. Okay. We can also do arrows. Maglagay tayo ng break here. So arrow would be left arrow. Then pwede rin ang right arrow. Then down arrow and up arrow. So pretty neat, no? Pwede mo gamitin sa inyong HTML program like sa button. Another one is pwede tayong gumamit ng entities to display spades, yung mga baraha, hearts, clubs, and diamonds, diams. Okay? So although hindi naman siya madalas ginagamit, pero nice to know na rin, di ba? Now, another thing kung saan ginagamit ang entities would be sa pera. So, for example, dollars or euro. Pwede rin ang yen. Yan. Yan ang mga major currency na pwedeng lagyan ng entities. And meron ding iba. For example, mathematical symbols. So, maglagay na nga tayo ng comment dito. Math. And then, this one would be currencies. This one would be cards. Yan. Okay? So, ano ibig ko sabihin sa math? For example, product and sum. Okay? So, imbis na plus symbol, integral sum ito eh. And, for example, logical symbols for all and partial differential. Okay. So, hindi naman siya madalas ginagamit. Pero, nice to know din or pwede rin to. Easing element. Yan. Alright. So, sa mga ito, madalas lang ginagamit dyan is itong copy and registration, less than, greater than, and then yung mga arrows. Pero yung iba, I mean, you might encounter sa inyong career. So, nilagay ko na rin dito for completeness. Now, you can also do numbers here. So, like emoji. I'm just gonna show you para complete. So, and then a number, 128512. Ayan, mga emoji. So, pwede rin pala yan. So, tingnan natin. 513, 514. So, it's a series of emoji na magkakasama. So, medyo iba yung format, So, sharp. So, ampersand, semicolon. Tapos may sharp. 128, 512 to 517. Tingnan natin na itsura. Okay? So, that's emoji using HTML entities. Alright, guys. I think that's all for HTML entities. Let's continue to our next video.